Here's the elevator at the biology building. I'm going to show you all something really neat here. These were indeed center opening 2-speed doors at a time. Look at that. Look. I knew it. I was so right. You can see the second door track where it ends right in the middle. Okay, let's go in. I was so right. My theory was definitely correct. But again, why change the elevator to center opening only? It would have looked a lot cooler if they would have kept the center opening 2-speed doors, but this was back in the 90s when it happened. Gee.